report suggests that there's plugging in my arteries, so I need to clean up my arteries. What would you recommend for cleaning of blood vessels, Dr. Daniels? Well, first of all, let's talk about the suggestion. So your health review report suggests that there's a problem. How about I suggest? Which one suggests? Just suggest that we're lovers? What does that mean? It means we're not, right? It's a suggestion. So you need to understand when people are playing you, okay? So I would definitely dismiss the health review report and the plugging arteries situation. If that's the only indication you have of plugged arteries, ignore it. Don't do it. But, you know, the number one step for unplugging any situation in the body is water. So number one suggestion is water. And you can just take your body weight, divide it by 32, and that's how many quarts of water a day to drink. It's super simple. Other thing is you've got to get the crap out that's plugging your arteries, and that's 3 poops a day. So you've got to start with at least drinking enough water and at least 3 poops a day. And, Vitality Capsules to help you get 3 poops a day at vitalitycycles.com. But do not go on suggestions. Verify. So do not allow yourself to get distracted from your pursuit of happiness by other people's suggestions.